How to build a raised vegetable bed on a budget. I got my hands on some reclaimed decking and 4x2. I had the screws, so the materials were very straightforward and cheap. The time I put into it was probably half a day in total. I chose to have a really basic square construction, and my skill set is pretty basic, so I didn't want to challenge myself too greatly. Began with two lengths of the decking and secured those against two of the 4x2 posts. I made two identical sides. These were the opposing sides, and I stood these upside down and attached two more lengths of the decking to complete the square. The reason I did this upside down was it gave me a perfectly flat top of the box. I chose to have the uh, flat surface of the decking on the outside. I thought it gave a better finish to the vegetable patch. Once the square was complete, I knew that I had to drill down roughly 12 inches on each corner so the posts would fit into the ground, get the levels correct, and turn over the soil, put some compost in, and finish with putting a little ledge on each end. I do hope you found this video useful. At the very least, pick up some ideas of what you do or don't like, and good luck.